Welcome to this tutorial on Google Analytics Tracking ID, a crucial component of understanding website traffic and behavior. In this guide, we will walk you through the concept of Google Analytics Tracking ID, its importance, and how to set it up. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics is a web analytics service that helps you analyze and understand website traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. At the heart of Google Analytics is the Tracking ID, a unique identifier assigned to your website. This ID is used to collect and send data to Google Analytics servers, where it is processed and made available in your reports. To get a Google Analytics Tracking ID, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. A property represents your website or app, and it is where you will find your tracking ID. The tracking ID is usually in the format of UAXXXXXX, where X represents a series of numbers. Once you have your tracking ID, you need to add the Google Analytics tracking code to your website. This code is a small JavaScript snippet that you place in the head or footer of your website's HTML. The tracking code sends data to Google Analytics servers every time a user interacts with your website, such as when they click a link, fill out a form, or make a purchase. The tracking ID is important because it allows Google Analytics to distinguish between different websites and properties. Without a unique tracking ID, Google Analytics would not be able to collect and process data accurately. Additionally, the tracking ID is used to link your Google Analytics account to your website, ensuring that you are collecting data for the correct property. Best practices for using Google Analytics Tracking ID include using a single tracking ID per website, avoiding using the same tracking ID for multiple websites, and keeping your tracking ID confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your data. It is also important to test your tracking code to ensure that it is working correctly and sending data to Google Analytics servers. In conclusion, the Google Analytics Tracking ID is a critical component of understanding website traffic and behavior. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up a Google Analytics account, obtain a tracking ID, and start collecting valuable insights into your website's performance. Remember to use your tracking ID correctly and keep it confidential to ensure the accuracy and security of your data. With Google Analytics and your tracking ID, you can make informed decisions to improve your website and drive more conversions.